So we're just out here at the Tesla showroom at Mulgrave today. They've got a warehouse out the back. They're going to show us around, take us for a tour, give us a little bit of a surprise. Now, we're here to celebrate the fact that we've been announced a Tesla premium installer, and we're only one of 4 installers in Victoria that have reached this level. So it's a pretty exclusive club. We're pretty excited to join. So come in, let's have a look and see what's happening today. They're just showing us around, showing us through the front, the new Model 3. Now we're out here in the warehouse looking at all the cars they've got. It looks like pretty much all these cars are going to get picked up today. Apparently they deliver about 120 cars a day, so they have this whole warehouse. People just come, production line, pick up their cars, get out, they bring new cars in. There's always new cars coming in. It's crazy. The efficiency that these guys have got it down to is just absolutely insane. Feels like you're really just stepping into the future. It's an amazing experience to be out here and seeing how these cars actually get out to the people of Australia. This is our Model Y, so they haven't updated the Model Y yet, still waiting on that, but this new Highlander, absolutely crazy car. Heaps more comfortable, sound system's better, suspension 30% smoother. If you've got a chance to have a look at one of these, have a look, you won't be disappointed. Definitely a big step up from the old Model 3. So this is a Tesla service centre out here. So new cars come in, they get a quick buff, and then they go out here ready to be delivered. So maybe every couple of years you might need to replace the brakes, rotate the tyres, but very minimal issues. So that's why you can see there's not too much going on out here considering how many Teslas are out on the road. Not too many things to fix. So we're just here in the training room at Tesla. So we've got some beaten up old cars here that they use to teach people how to work on them, how to fix things. So what they do is actually create faults in here, and then someone comes in, has to try and diagnose the fault, figure out what it is and fix the issue. So it's a 4-year training program for the apprentices. It's up there on the wall. Which is going to be a big field in the future. There's going to be a lot of cars, obviously 150 cars a day coming out of just this place alone. So it's going to be a lot of work in the future if you want to get into that.
But there's a new logo that we need to add to your new branding, which is this one here, because you guys obviously joined the Premium Certified Installer program for this year. So it's a big round of applause. Let's go.
We're just looking at our data for last couple of years. So 256 sites that we've done with Tesla Powerwall installations, 292 Powerwalls in total. That's because a lot of people actually get 2, 3, up to 6 Powerwalls we've seen people go for. So we've assisted with that. So our total fleet capacity is 1.5 megawatts and the total energy is 3.9 megawatt hours. It's bigger than some coal-fired power stations. So it's pretty huge, really making a difference. 580 tonnes of CO2 that we've avoided, so that's massive. So really we're on a mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. We're trying to help everyone. We're trying to move away from coal. We're trying to move away from this dirty energy of the past and move towards clean energy of the future. That's why we're here at the Tesla showroom here at Mulgrave, looking at all these cars and celebrating the data on how many Tesla installs we've done.